Yeah, welcome to Modern Retrogramming with Plasma. Another diversion for this video, playing with the high-res graphics library I've been working on. So to show off and showcase some of its capabilities, I wrote a little video game to really test out a lot of the functionality to make sure it's all doing what it's supposed to. It's a shoot 'em up, and you're being attacked by, oh, there you go, the spiders from Mars, making you Ziggy Stardust. So it's not the most modular game ever written. In fact, it is one big giant game loop. Perhaps not the model for what you would want to do, but it actually works pretty well in this case. And so we're just kind of scrolling through the source code, showing off that it's all written in Plasma. The library itself has some low-level routines that are in assembly to move data to and from the video screen, but really it's about 90% Plasma. So that was the source code for it. Let's go see what it looks like when it's running. So this code will be available on sort of the developer preview 3 of the Plasma 2 release. So yeah, spiders from Mars. And when the first time you run it, it actually goes through and compiles the sprites. If anybody's played with the Apple II high-res screen, it's really kind of a pain to work with. And so one of the library calls is to take a sort of generic bitmap representation and compile it down into the Apple II screen-friendly format. It does take up quite a bit of memory, and this is one of the reasons I wanted to write this game, is to test it all out. Once it has compiled the sprites, then we load it, and now we're running. We're being attacked by the spider eggs from Mars here, and when they go to the top, you'll see that they hatch into the actual spiders. We've got missiles and lasers to combat them with. The lasers have a recharge time, which is that green bar at the bottom. Once you fire a laser, it has to be recharged. And you only get 6 missiles. So the theory is the missiles will hit with 1 shot. The lasers take 3 shots. If you happen to hit with both barrels, then that will count as 2. So this is showing actually how it's actually pretty easy to win. This isn't a full-on game. This is just sort of a demonstration, a little diversion, if you will, to test out the library. Now that once we run it, you'll see that we have a lot more files in our directory of the compiled sprites. So the next time, we don't have to compile them. We just load them directly from the file, and we start our game up quicker. So they have many versions of the sprites. As you get shot, they kind of dim out. We have all the spiders. We have a little splat type of animation, and then there's the web itself. And here he got caught, got killed. Okay, so that was our demonstration for our high-res graphics library. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.